Hello everyone, welcome to Fun with Learning. This is 21st video in the series of Mission CHSL 40 days. I hope you have watched previous day video. If not, you can get the link in the description box. And guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel Fun with Learning. Now let's begin with today's question, and the first question is, which Maratha warrior died in the successful defense of the Singed fort fighting against Mughal army? मुगल सेना के खिलाफ लड़ते हुए सिंगट किले की सफल रक्षा में किस मराठा योद्धा की मृत्यु हो गई? आंसर इज तानाजी मालुसरे. Tanaji Malusare, a commander of Shivaji, is famously known for his role in the Battle of Singed against the Mughals in 1670. The battle was fought between Tanaji Malusare and Udayvan Singh Pratham, who was a Mughal army chief. The fort was conquered, but in the process Tanaji was gravely wounded and died fighting on the battlefield. Moving to second question, in which amendment to the constitution were the Bodo Dogri, मैथिली एंड संथाली एडेड टू द लिस्ट ऑफ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड लैंग्वेजेस? संविधान के किस संशोधन में बोडो डोगरी, मैथिली और संथाली को मान्यता प्राप्त भाषाओं की सूची में जोड़ा गया? आंसर इज 92nd अमेंडमेंट 2003. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 92nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2003 amended the 8th schedule to the constitution so as to include Bodo, Dogri, Maithili and Santhali languages, thereby raising the total number of languages listed in the schedule to 22. Moving to third question, what causes hydrophobia? हाइड्रोफोबिया का क्या कारण है? आंसर इज रेबीज वायरस. Hydrophobia refers to an irrational fear of water that commonly results from the bite of a mad dog, disease known as rabies. In the later stage of rabies, the animal or person has difficulty swallowing with painful spasm and so fears water. Hydrophobia is also the medical term for rabies. Moving to next question, which creature grows again after it cut into half? कौन सा जीव आधा कट जाने के बाद फिर से बढ़ता है? आंसर इज अर्थवॉर्म, केंचुआ. If an earthworm is split into, it will not become two new worms. The head of the worm may survive and regenerate its tail if the animal is cut behind the ciliellum, but original tail of the worm will not be able to grow a new head and will instead die. Moving to next question, in which of the following cities is the longest beach in India located? निम्नलिखित में से किस शहर में भारत का सबसे लंबा समुद्र तट स्थित है? आंसर इज चेन्नई. The Marina Beach, a natural urban beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, along the Bay of Bengal, is the longest beach of India. The beach runs from near Fort St. George in the north to Foreshore Estate in the south, a long distance of 6 km, the longest in India. Moving to next question, which musical framework once present in Brihadesi, an ancient text group, got grouped into folk and classical music? एक प्राचीन ग्रंथ बृहददेशी में मौजूद कौन सा संगीत ढांचा लोक और शास्त्रीय संगीत में समोहित हो गया? आंसर इज राग. बृहददेशी इज ए क्लासिकल संस्कृत टेक्स्ट on Indian classical music that speaks directly of the rag and distinguishes the classical and the folk. It provides the basis for the emergence of the Mela system of classifying the rag. The term rag first occurs in a technical context in Brihaddeshi. Moving to next question, who among the following was the first minister of finance in independent India? निम्नलिखित में से कौन स्वतंत्र भारत में पहले वित्त मंत्री थे? आंसर इज आर.के. सन्मुखम चेट्टी. The first finance minister of independent India was R.K. Shanmugam Chetty, who served as the finance minister in Jawaharlal Nehru cabinet between 1947 to 49. On November 26, 1947, Chetty presented the first budget of independent India. Earlier, he had served as President of India's Central Legislative Assembly from 1933 to 1935. Moving to next question, which of the following is the unit of perceived loudness of sound? निम्नलिखित में से कौन ध्वनि की कथित प्रबलता की इकाई है? आंसर इज डेसिबल. Loudness is a subjective characteristic of sound Perceived loudness of sound is a psychoacoustic quantity that depends on sound pressure level, the frequency spectrum and the time behavior of the sound in a question. One sound is arbitrarily set equal to the loudness of a 1000 Hz tone at a sound level of 40 decibels. Moving to next question. What is a bakelite? Bakelite क्या है? Answer is polymer. Bakelite is the commercial name for the polymer obtained by the polymerization of phenol and formaldehyde. It is an early plastic. Plastic is the popular term for variety of synthetic or man-made polymers. Moving to next question. Stress can be defined as which type of quantity? तनाव को किस प्रकार की मात्रा के रूप में परिभाषित किया जा सकता है? Answer is tensor. Stress is defined as resistance force per unit area of an element on which load is applied. Stress is always perpendicular to a cross section in the element. It is neither scalar nor it is a vector. It is a tensor quantity because it describes things happening in two directions simultaneously. Moving to next question. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? कर्क रेखा कितने भारतीय राज्यों से होकर गुजरती है? Answer is 8 states. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the following 8 states in India: गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा and Mizoram. Moving to next question. Which of the following institution deals with credit to agriculture and rural development? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी संस्था कृषि और ग्रामीण विकास को ऋण प्रदान करती है? Answer is NABARD. National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development (NABARD) deals with matters concerning policy, planning and operation in the field of credit for agriculture and other economic activities in rural areas in India. It was established on 12 July 1982 by a special act of parliament for the upliftment of rural India. Moving to next question. When was the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana launched? प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना कब शुरू की गई थी? आंसर इज जनवरी 2016. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana on 13th January 2016. It aims to provide a more efficient insurance support to the farmers of the country in the events of crops destroyed by heavy rain, other natural calamities, pest or disease. Moving to next question. Which of the following deserts have been named after the phrase the great thirst? निम्नलिखित में से किस रेगिस्तान का नाम द ग्रेट थ्रस्ट वाक्यांश के नाम पर रखा गया है? आंसर इज कालाहारी डिजर्ट, कालाहारी मरुस्थल. द कालाहारी डिजर्ट ऑफ साउदर्न अफ्रीका इज नेम्ड आफ्टर द स्वाना वर्ड कगाला मीनिंग द ग्रेट थ्रस्ट और कगाला गार्डी मीनिंग ए वाटरलेस प्लेस. इट हैज़ वास्ट एरिया कवर्ड बाय रेड सैंड without any permanent surface water. Moving to next question. Name the longest lake in India. भारत की सबसे लंबी झील का नाम बताइए. आंसर इज वेमनाड झील. Vemnad Lake of Kerala is the longest lake in India with a length of 95.6 km. It is the largest lake in Kerala and spans several districts of the state. The Nehru Trophy boat race is conducted in a portion of this lake. Moving to next question. Which of the following biosphere reserve was the first to be established by the government of India? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व सबसे पहले सरकार द्वारा स्थापित किया गया था? आंसर इज नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve was the first biosphere reserve to be established in India in 1986. It is situated in the Western Ghats and Nilgiri Hills ranges of South India. The reserve encompasses 5,520 square kilometers in the states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. Moving to next question. Which of the following is a group folk dance of Sikkim performed in honor of Mount Kanchenjunga, the guardian deity of the Sikkimese people? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा सिक्किम का एक समूह लोक नृत्य है जो सिक्किम के लोगों के संरक्षक देवता माउंट कंचनजंगा के सम्मान में किया जाता है? आंसर इज चूफाटो. Chufato folk dance of Sikkim is performed in the honor of Mount Kanchenjunga, the guardian deity of the Sikkimese people. Moving to next question. The idea of residual powers in Indian constitution has been taken from the constitution of which country? भारतीय संविधान में अवशिष्ट शक्तियों का विचार किस देश के संविधान से लिया गया है? आंसर इज कनाडा. The Indian constitution borrowed the idea of residual powers from Canada. Some other main features borrowed from the Canadian constitution are quasi-federal form of government, a federal system with a strong central government and distribution of powers between the central government and the state government. Moving to next question. Name the pass in Uttarakhand which is used by pilgrims to Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. उत्तराखंड में उस दर्रे का नाम बताइए जिसका उपयोग तीर्थयात्री कैलाश मानसरोवर यात्रा के लिए करते हैं. आंसर इज लिपू लेक. लिपू लेक इज ए हिमालयन पास ऑन द बॉर्डर बिटवीन उत्तराखंड इंडिया एंड तिब्बत चाइना. द कैलाश मानसरोवर यात्रा, ए हिंदुइज्म pilgrimage to Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar, traverses this pass. It has been used since ancient times by traders, mendicants and pilgrims transiting between India and Tibet. Moving to next question. Buckminster fullerene is an allotrope of which element? Buckminster fullerene किस तत्व का अपरूप है? Answer is carbon. Buckminster fullerene C60 is a type of fullerene and allotrope of carbon. It has a keg-like first ring structure that resembles a saucer ball made of 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons with a carbon atom which has one bond and two single bonds at each vertex of each polygon edge. Moving to next question. Name the first ever female prime minister in the world. दुनिया की पहली महिला प्रधानमंत्री का नाम बताइए. आंसर इज श्री मावो वंडार नायके. Sri Mavo Vandar Naike was a Sri Lankan stateswoman. She became the world's first non-hereditary female head of government in modern history when she was elected Prime Minister of Sri Lanka in 1960. She served 3 terms from 1960 to 1965, second 1970 to 1977 and third 1994 to 2000. Moving to next question. Which panel set up by the government of India suggested total decontrol of the sugar industry? भारत सरकार द्वारा स्थापित किस पैनल ने चीनी उद्योग के पूर्ण नियंत्रण का सुझाव दिया? आंसर इज रंगराजन पैनल. The Rangarajan committee was set up to examine issues related to sugar decontrol. The Rangarajan committee recommended deregulation of the sugar sector by giving freedom to mills to sell sugar in the open market. चीनी विनियंत्रण से संबंधित मुद्दों की जांच के लिए रंगराजन समिति का गठन किया गया था. रंगराजन समिति ने मिलों को खुले बाजार में चीनी बेचने की स्वतंत्रता देकर चीनी क्षेत्र के विनियमन की सिफारिश की. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इफ ए पर्सन वेट्स 66 kg ऑन द अर्थ, हाउ मच इज हिज वेट ऑन द मून? यदि किसी व्यक्ति का भार पृथ्वी पर 66 किलोग्राम है तो चंद्रमा पर उसका भार कितना होगा? आंसर इज 11 किलोग्राम, 11 किलो. द ग्रेविटी ऑफ द मून इज 1/6 ऑफ द अर्थ्स ग्रेविटी. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट इंटरप्लेनेटरी स्पेस मिशन ऑफ इंडिया? भारत का पहला इंटरप्लेनेटरी स्पेस मिशन कौन सा है? आंसर इज मार्स ऑर्बिटर मिशन. द मार्स ऑर्बिटर मिशन मॉम, also called Mangalyaan, is India's first interplanetary mission. It was launched on 5 November 2013 by ISRO. It has been orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. Moving to last question of today. Which of the following is India's first multi-wavelength observatory? निम्नलिखित में से कौन भारत की पहली बहुत तरंग दैर्ध्य वेधशाला है? आंसर इज एस्ट्रोसेट. एस्ट्रोसेट is India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space telescope. It was successfully launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center on board a PSLV XL Vecleon. Thanks for watching this video. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड वीडियो पाने के लिए चैनल फन विथ लर्निंग को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.